Welcome to Tikiliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to fully install a program on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. At first, just go to your search bar and search for Add or Remove Programs. Then just open up Add or Remove Programs. Then in this list, you need to find the software which you want to install. So I'm gonna install MongoDB Compass. So I'm just gonna click on Install. Click on Install once more. And then just wait, it will install itself. Done. You can close this now. Now to delete the leftovers, what we need to do is on our keyboard, press on Windows and R. And in here, we need to type app data and click on OK. Then we need to go inside roaming. And inside roaming, we need to search for the name of the folder with the app which we just installed. In my case, it is Mongo. So I'm going to search for Mongo and delete any file that has the same name as it. Just shift delete it to permanently delete the folder. Click on yes. Then just go back again. Then go to local. Then search for the same folder here as well. Click on yes. Then what you need to do is cut this window again. Hit Windows and R again. Now what you need to type is %program files % and click on OK. You need to just search for the folder with the name of your app. So in my case, it was Mongo. So I'm just going to search for Mongo and delete this as well. Click on continue. And then I need to click on Ctrl R again. This time I need to type %temp % and click on OK. Now from here, I need to delete everything and click on yes. Click on do this for all current items and click on skip. And just wait for it to be deleted. And that is how to fully install a program on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.